Yo, what up? What's poppin', folks? We just finished up a couple of baseball breaks, a couple of shopping videos. We're about to do our Upper Deck 2021, the third attempt for Alexis Lafreniere. We're gonna do this quick because we got a bunch to go through. We did our Black Friday sale from Upper Deck store. Buy $100, get a free tin. So basically, the tin was supposed to be Upper Deck Series 1 from last year, the Sidney Crosby one. And they messaged me and they told me they ran out. And, I got lucky and they said, hey, you know what? We are sending you a 2021 tin of Connor McDavid that's not even out in stores yet. So enjoy. So we're going to try and go through this really quick. So we got one blaster. We got that for 20. We got the retail for 80. So that was 100. And the tin was free. So I don't know if you guys saw the recent video. We did 5 blaster boxes of the oversized Young Guns. Still no Alexis. Still missing a lot of good ones that I need, like Lil Jagran. Could use Josh Norris. So, in a way, it's not a bad thing that I'm continuing to buy stuff, because I definitely want to get a lot of these Young Guns. I mean, looking at last year, I don't know if you guys saw a lot of those videos, but I still never got a Kale McCarr, never got a Kubalik, never got a Kirby Jack. So, it's tough, man. You gotta put in the money and the time and all that stuff to try and get these things. So we'll see what happens. This is attempt number 3, I believe, because the first one was regular retail. Then we did a couple of blasters, and now here we are with these. So first blaster is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not the oversized Young Guns or the Mega Blaster or anything like that. So let's try and breeze through this really quick. We're not gonna do the whole base breakdown because there's no point in it. All right, first Young Guns is Kiefer Bellows. Dope. I need him. Don't have him. See? So should be able to get a second Young Guns out of this. Hopefully. See what else we get. Maybe a Dazzler, I guess. And there we go. Here's our Dazzler, a canvas of Kopitar. Very cool. Don't have that one. So definitely pumped about that. Always a good thing when you get cards that you don't have yet. Ricard Raquel Dazzler. That's cool. Don't have that. Don't care about the base. So this should be an all base pack. Yep. Let's see if we can pull one more Young Guns out of here. Well, we got a Ranger, but it's Panarin. Yeah, this is all base. Unfortunately, you don't get any French parallels out of these. So we got another Ranger. We got Mika. Oh wow, this is our second one, man. Huh. All right, I'll take it. I'm not gonna complain about that. That's cool. As a Ranger fan, and as a hockey fan, and trying to get all that stuff, no complaints. All base. All right, final pack of the blaster. I'm gonna do the tin last. And we're gonna go through the retail and try and just, All right. So that's that for the blaster. Let's get this baby cracked open. Let's see if we could keep this under 15 minutes. I don't like keep, dragging the videos out too long. And they become a pain in the ass to upload on YouTube and all that stuff too, so. Alright, 24 packs. see. See what happens. And we have, alright, I saw the A, but it's not him. Artem Zagadulin. So we have him already. So that's young gun number 1. Either 5 or 6 more to go. Got another young guns right here, and it is another Peyton Krebs. I think that's my 3rd one. Wow, top 2 packs. Young guns. Holy crap. Huh. So we're gonna get a whole lot of base packs here, man. Unless we wind up with 7 young guns. Nothing here. Yep. So that's our first base. See if we wind up, I guess, with a jersey card or something. I don't know. Soul base. Another all base. Huh. Yeah, we're gonna be hitting these base packs hard right now because we already got 2 young guns. So it might be a while before we see another one. Let's see. No canvas. Nope. Yeah, we started off really hot, man. Here we go. UD garbage portraits. Connect me. I freaking don't understand the portraits cards. I really don't. There we go. Another portraits. Dude, I don't know how many Tyler Bertuzzi's I'm gonna wind up getting, bro. Like, enough with that guy. It's my 4th or 5th one. I've lost track. Alright, we're gonna wind up with another. Oh, we got a Blue Dazzler. And it is Austin Matthews. Very cool. Alright, don't have that one. All base. Canvas of, oh, sick, Igor. That's dope. Oh, wow. All right, cool. Pumped about that. It's not his young gun, but you know, as you guys could tell, huge Ranger fan. I'm sure you guys seen all my Igor autographs and everything. Another canvas of Keith Yandel. Pretty sure I've gotten that one again. Alright, so more base. We're at what? 3 young guns? 2. Okay, here's our jersey card of Jeff Carter. Wow, they shorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's weird. There's a total of 6 cards in that pack. Alright, we got another Young Guns of Gustav Lindstrom. So I believe that's our, what, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's just take these out. Becoming a little pain in the ass. So 3 Young Guns out of this box so far. I guess we got 3 more to go. All base. All base. A whole lot of base cards. I definitely need another 5,000 count box pretty soon because I have no room to put anything anywhere. Between baseball, football, I mean, you guys seen all the football I've been breaking, so. Alright, we got another Young Guns here, and it is Lucas Carlson. Don't have him. Okay. So, down to last 6 packs here. Let's see, maybe we get lucky and pull a 7th. We got portraits. I like that Shifley card. Here you are again. Kiefer Bellows rookie. UG portraits. So not too bad. The last retail box I got, I mean the first one really, was 7 Young Guns. So we got a Mitch Marner UG portraits. Yeah, I'm so not a fan of the portraits at all. Never have, never will be. I think they're so pointless. We got another Blue Dazzler of Ricard Raquel. We got a green one and we got a blue one. Really? Come on. Let's see. Hopefully that tin treats us well because we're down to the last 3 packs here and it's not looking good. Gabe Velarde. Alright, cool. Pumped. Definitely need that. Definitely need Velarde. Alright. So, let's see if we can get one more out of here. We have a canvas of, oh my god, this guy, bro, really? Jesus Christ. Freaking Tyler Bertuzzi, bro. He's been following me all over with the UD portraits, and now he's following me with the canvas. Get out of here with that, man. Jesus Christ. And looks like we're ending the retail box on a koozie. That's a cool canvas. So, alright. Looks like it's down to the 10. Come on, baby. Treat us right. We have the first 10. Literally. I mean, I haven't seen it anywhere, and I know they were pre-selling it, and I don't know anybody that's gotten it, and I haven't seen any breaks of it. So, comes with a bonus pack of, what is it, the O-Pee-Chees, I think? This thing, it's just so dope. Look at it. So, how many is in there? I forgot. Yeah, you get the 3, okay, so 10 packs per 10, and the exclusive Panini O-Pee-Chee, sorry. Wow, the top of the plastic is stuck to the tin. Alright, cool. So, alright, here we go. Sorry. Where's the O-Pee-Chee one? Oh, there it goes. Is that Josh Norris? Oh, it's stuck in there. I can't even get it out. Alright. Boom. We're saving that for last. Let's get Connor back up here. And there we go. Last chance today at Mr. Lafreniere. So we should get at least one. And I think here's our first one. Oh no, it's a UD portraits of Bumaz Brock Nelson. Alright. Pack number 2, 10. And it looks like this one is an all base. Yep. Pack number 3. I wonder who's going to be on the Series 2 tin or Series 2 boxes or whatever. First young gun is Jonas Johansson. Don't have him either, so I guess that's a good thing. Still looking for Liljegren, man. Liljegren. So, UD canvas of David Krejci. Looks like we're going to be buying more Upper Deck. Well, base. UD canvas of Carey Price. Damn, we can't even get a Young Guns UD canvas. That's brutal. So we're looking like another bust for Alexis. Okay, we got a orange Andrei Svechnikov. Orange Dazzler. That's cool. Last 2 packs. Should be able to get one more Young Guns out of here. We do, and it is Philip Broberg, the Broheim. Sorry. Jeez, man. Brutal. Freaking brutal. Final pack. It's going to probably be all base. And it sure as hell is. And another bust. So, yep. The hunt for Alexis continues. And here's our OPTs of Morgan Geekie, gold Gabe Velarde, and a regular Gabe Velarde. So that's cool. I think Gabe Velarde is really good too. So, well, we did kind of get Alexis again. So. Couple of Gabe Velardes, the Broheim, Jonas Johansson, Lucas Carlson, Lindstrom, another Krebs, which isn't a bad thing. Laffy and Krav, and Keeper Bello is also a good one. So definitely needed those. These are canvases, Carey Price, not even one Young Gun canvas. Krejci, Kuzi, this freaking guy, Keith Yandel, Igor, beautiful. I love that one actually. And Anze, Kopitar. I'm not gonna go through the UD portraits. I hate those things. Svechnikov orange, Raquel blue, Matthews blue, and Raquel green, and our jersey card of Jeff Carter. So that's it. That's a wrap.